In today's session, we are going to see very important MCQs, that is, write a word, term which can substitute each of the following statement of first chapter, that is Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. Method of a capital account in which capital balances of a partner changes every year. Answer is fluctuating capital method. A partnership agreement between the partners in written form. It is partnership deed. The partners who provides only his name to the partnership firm. Answer is nominal partner. A partner who is entitled in day-to-day activity of the business. Active partner. An amount contributed by the partner into the business. Partners capital. An association of two or more persons to carry on the business. It is called as partnership. A partner who contribute only the capital for the business but does not take any active part. Answer is sleeping partner. A partner below the age of 18 years. Answer is minor partner. To close the business of partnership firm. Answer is dissolution. Capital account in which partner's current account is opened. Answer is fixed capital method. An amount withdrawn by the partner from the business for his personal use. Answer is drawing. The partner who is entitled to share the profit only and not losses. Answer is partner in profit only. The relationship between the person who have agreed to share the profit of the business. Answer is partnership. Person who forms and manage the partnership business. Answer is partner. The name under which a business is carried on. Answer is firm. A partner whose liability is limited to the extent of the capital contributed. Answer is limited partner. A set of rules framed for internal management of a firm. Answer is partnership deed. The act which applies in the absence of partnership deed. Answer is Partnership Act 1932. The account opened when capitals are fixed. Answer is current account. Reputation of a business. Answer goodwill. Capital which do not remain constant. Answer is fluctuating capital. Capital which remains constant. Answer is fixed capital. Amount contributed by the partner over and above his capital is known as partner's loan. The account which shows appropriation of profit. Answer is profit and loss appropriation account. The proportion in which profit and losses are shared by the partner. Answer is profit sharing ratio. Written terms of agreement between the partner is known as partnership deed. A partner who lends only his name to the firm. Answer is nominal partner.